Alright, today we're going to talk about quadratic regression. This is very similar to linear regression that we did first semester. You need to go to Stat. So on the TID4, Stat is right underneath Delete. Go ahead and click on Stat. And we're going to start with Edit, number 1. So you either click on number 1 or you can hit Enter. And we need to, just like linear regression, we need to enter our data. So I'm going to go ahead and do 13.2, problem number 2. And I'm going to enter the data. The x values go under L1 and the y values under L2. So for the x values we have 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, and 2.5. Now to get over to L2 we can use this little right arrow and then we're going to enter those values. We had 2.1, 3.4, 4.1, 4.3, 3.9, and 2.3. Please make sure that you go back and look and make sure that both L1 and L2 are the same length. In this case, they both end at exactly the same line. If they are not the same length, you will get a domain error and you don't want to have one of those. Now that we have all of our data in, we need to actually go do our regression. So just like we did with linear, we're going to click on Stat again, and this time we want to calculate something, so you go over to Calculate, use the right arrow key. And before we did number 4, linear regression. In this chapter we're going to do quadratic regression number 5. So either you can click on number 5 or you can use the arrow keys to go down to number 5 and hit enter. Then you want to hit enter one more time and it will tell you exactly what your equation is. It shows you it's in the form of y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. This is standard form. A is negative 1.35, b is 3.529, and c is 2.032. So now you can go ahead and write out your equation, which is y equals negative 1.35 x squared plus 3.529 x plus 2.032. If you want to know how good this is as an equation, you want to look for an r squared term. In this case, it's missing. So let me go ahead and show you how to get to it. You want to hit under second, it's the blue button right here, and then where it says catalog down here, click on the 0. And you want diagnostics on, so you need to arrow all the way down to the D's, and we're looking for diagnostics on, which is right there. And go ahead and hit enter, and hit enter one more time, and now the diagnostics should be on. So we have to go back into Stat, over to Calc, and then down to number 5 one more time, and hit enter, and this time it shows you that r squared value. So that's our correlation coefficient, just like it was with linear, and we're looking to see how close to 1 it is. And the closer it is to 1, the better job that you've done. In this case we have 0.982, which is really close to 1, so this would be a very good approximation of this data. If you have any questions, make sure you contact me. Thank you very much.